Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Essentia Health Employee Account. So let's get started. So to log into your Essentia Health Employee Account, what you have to do is first open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you have to search for Essentia Health Employee Login. And after searching for that option, you just have to scroll down and then tap on this third option which says working at Essentia Health. So after tapping on that, in the bottom right corner of your screen you can find this option which says current employee, login here. So after tapping on that, you'll directly to this page, and from here you can log into your account. So if you are an old employee, what you can do is just tap on this first option which says Essentia Health Employees. But if you are a new employee, what you can do is just tap on new hires or former employees and vendors. So if you are a new employee or a former employee or a vendor, you can just tap on this second option. But if you are an old employee, you can just tap on this first option. So I'll tap on the second option, and after tapping on that option, now what I have to do is just enter my username and password. So after entering your username and password, you can just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Essentia Health Employee Account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.